lie, man. That's probably true. Make bricks with that one.
Motherfucking smoke gang. You know what I mean?
We say smoke gang because all we do is blow tree. I mean, we
fuck
love the
her.
weed, get money, fuck these bitches. Music, we love music. Music is our life.
Is number one.
That's
You already
business.
see what I'm doing. I'm the man
I mean,
that's always sitting at a goddamn computer putting in work. You know what I mean?
that's Mr. Engineer right there. I mean, he an engineer. That's what he do. He engineers everything.
I mean, this be Nizzle right here for Shizzle, my dizzle. I mean,
Don't be mad. He ain't got
I
the
ain't
ice
doing
on right
shit.
now. And he gonna
I'm
pull it back
chilling.
out.
I'm chilling right now, you know what I
Cold
mean?
enough for this basement.
I mean, it's
Yeah,
cold
man.
enough down.
But we out here making music. We making it hot. Even though it's cold down here, we making it hot.
Woo!
You know what I mean?
Fuck around, melt the booth.
Fuck wrong with these niggas, man. V nice, you know what I mean? And that goes by V/NISE. Not CESE. I'm sorry.
Dumb motherfucker.
I'm sorry. You know what I mean? But this is what we do around here.
You got your boy Trez over here, you mean? Nick Bricks at the table, you mean? Sitting there chilling. I mean, holla.
Everybody
man,
shout out their Twitters, man. Shout out where they can find you out.
Young Trez 1. Spot me on Twitter, Facebook, Young Trez. Just holla at your boy, man. Real
Okay.
shit.
Okay.
You already know. Nick Bricks. Twitter me at Nick Bricks. Facebook me at Nick Bricks. SoundCloud me at Nick Bricks. Hot New Hip Hop me at Nick Bricks. It can go on forever. You stop
Right.
playing.
I mean, follow me. You already know. V nice underscore V underscore NISE 215 on that Twitter. Facebook Van V nice Comer. Let me put this to y'all again. VNISE.
Nice.
Shit.
Nice. You know what I mean? Money in my pocket is out there right now. Cop up. You feel me? You already know. You know what I mean? Anybody else got anything to say?
It's all a hustle, man. We try and get this money. I mean, listen to that. It's official Smoke Gang
Go
mixtape.
download
High
that,
Standards. The album is coming to you soon, but hold your breath. 'Cause we ain't gonna give it to y'all like that. We
Don't-
might give y'all something. We ain't
Don't
gonna
go
give y'all
listen
everything.
to it. Go download it.
Yes,
It's
sir.
official. It's out
Amazon.com.
now. It's on Amazon. It's on Rhapsody. It's on iTunes. And fucking for all my Twitter followers, all the Twitter fans out there, for the whole Smoke Gang, you can go to Tweet My Song and get your free copy on too. Make sure you go to the Google Play Store, get that Smoke Gang app. And we ain't playing no more games, man. I ain't got
See
no
where
more to
we
say.
at.
I'm working.
You know what I mean? We're in the fucking stew right now.
Like always.
From here, we just work with it, man. We working.
We out this bitch. One.